So imagine you just received a notice from the IRS. What do? Let's talk about it. As a business owner, or even an individual, there might be a time when you receive a notice from the IRS. There are a multitude of ways you can respond to a notice from the IRS. It really just depends on what the notice says and how you decide to approach the solution. The first one is if it is a notice regarding a tax liability that you have been assessed and you agree with the balance, you can pay it. The second one is if you agree with the balance, but you do not have the funds on hand, you can set up a payment plan so that way you and the IRS come to terms about when you're going to pay the balance. The third one is you disagree with this assessment and you have legal documentation to provide the IRS. Say maybe you are being denied a qualified deduction for your business and the IRS is seeking more information to be able to qualify that deduction. So you can respond with proper documentation within the notable time in order for this to take effect. The fourth one is you can request an abatement. An abatement meaning that you request either a decrease of the amount being assessed or you require some other means of payment because you do not have the funds on hand. And the fifth one is my favorite one. You put the notice down, you call your CPA or a trusted consultant, and you walk through with them to determine whether or not the IRS has legal costs to assess this notice upon you, whether or not you owe this amount, and how are you going to pay this. And seeking a CPA is the best alternative because you are given all of the options and you understand that you are authorizing the CPA or your consultant to act on your behalf. And again, ignoring the notice and doing nothing is not the best way to handle the notice. If anything, it only amplifies the situation and makes matters worse. So go ahead and respond in the comment section. If you was to receive a notice from the IRS, how are you going to proceed?